southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Location. Town, beyond Gilmarkwood, Valley Forge, Glenmore, Howley, Chester Springs, Beyondville, Cedarville, and West Goshen. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 324. Interstate 100. Sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: